week. Just, wait for some sort of correction like this and then enter, because I still believe that the market is still going to go further down and you don't want to miss it again, right? So yeah, that's what I'm expecting for the rest of the week. Just, keep a close watch and be patient. Okay, guys. I'm trying to do this video, right? But I have no plan whatsoever. I don't know where to start because a lot happened in the markets, as you've seen with the clips that played right before this clip right here. So the aim of this clip is to break down like my thinking process on how I approached the market yesterday. Yeah, now it's yesterday, and I'm gonna try and drop this as soon as it's edited. So let me clear up this part first. Those who are tapped in know which pair this is and what setup we were looking for, and clearly everything played out. Hence, we took a lot of trades yesterday. Okay, let me leave this one here. So now I'm just gonna try and let me just leave this one here too. So now hopefully my chart is not too messy. You understand what's happening. Those who are following and those who watched the AUD/JPY update and the midweek update understand this chart here, what's happening here. So remember, I told you guys that let's wait for some sort of correction after the breakage of this trend right here. Understand? After the breakage of this solid line I'm about to put, right? I was like, there is no way the market is gonna the market is gonna keep going down linearly. There's gonna be some sort of correction before it goes down. And I told you guys that I'm expecting some sort of a pattern, something like this. All right, let's make it read. I told you guys that I'm expecting something like this. All right. And fortunately, we really got something like this. This was before the other, you see, this was before this. This was before this whole, as you will see in the clips. Right now I'm just like trying to break down everything so that you guys understand, right? So this is how it was looking, right? And then as soon as this red line, of the correction, the support of the correction was broken, I entered a sell. Now this is the sell entry that you see in the clips prior, right? Entered a sell here, and then I think I had my TP right here. Let me, because if I type, I'm gonna waste too much time. I'm not sure if I had my TP, but then I believe I had my TP here. And then as I was in the sell, right? Because now I see you'll be surprised and you'll be confused by the buys that I took. As I was in the sell, I realized that the market is not gonna move the way I want it to move. I mean, it has happened before. I know there's a bait of some sort, so the sell is not gonna be as clean, and I was prepared for that. And at the same time, I saw this pattern forming, right? I saw this pattern forming, and I think I entered buys here. My first buys were, because my TP got hit. I think my TP was somewhere here, right? And then I entered my first entry right here of the buy. First buy, and then second buy was here. Second buy was here, and then as you can see with this one, I added another buy here. You will see with the clips, because I saw this pattern forming, right? I knew that this pattern is not gonna go far because usually this is a correction pattern to go to the upside, right? So I was not expecting a crazy movement like this for the market to now reverse completely. But then this is like just like, you know, a mind game that the market makers are playing with the retail traders, because they know retail traders are so impulsive. And as soon as they see some sort of a pattern, they hop on, you know. So I was playing along. I was playing that game with them. So the game they were playing, because right here they were trapping sellers. I saw that, okay, the way the market is moving around this area here, the way this market is, you know, hesitant to break this level right here, these lows right here, buyers might be entering just to, you know, take out all the sellers who entered here to try and catch this, you know, this drop from this pattern right here, right? So I got out of the cells. TP got hit somewhere here, and then immediately I think, yeah, I got into a buy here, but then it rejected. Yeah, this is where I got into a buy here, right here, exactly here. But then it rejected, it came here. As it came down, I added buys. I added another buy here, and then still went down. I added another buy here. And then I had my TP. Originally, I'm not gonna lie to you, my TP was at the sell limit. So my TP was here, right? My TP was the same level as my sell limit, because I still believe that overall the market is gonna, this is a correction of the down movement. You understand? Overall, I believe that this is one of those right here. You understand? So the bigger picture is really bearish, but then I was like, why not? If I see an opportunity to make some money and I'm anticipating a move that's gonna go up to try and manipulate the sellers and buyers at the same time, why not? You know? So I was in flow with the markets yesterday, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was in flow with the markets. As soon as I saw the opportunity to buy, I bought, and then as soon as my TP was here, but then as soon as I saw profits here and how the market was moving already, I think I took my profit somewhere here. I was like, no, I'm not gonna wait for the markets to do all that. And anyways, I'm not a fan of holding until the following day. So I took my take profit for the buys right here. I closed manually. I didn't wait for take profit. And then after that, now let me clean everything. Let's clean everything so that we can see what I'm looking at. I mean, I'm recording this on a Friday, early in the morning at around like 10 a.m. South African time. So wherever you are when you're watching this, hopefully this reaches you before the move actually happens. Let me clear everything up and show you the move that I'm expecting for the rest of the day, because this is the last day of the week, right? So, and this was the SL for the buyers, by the way. I was like, if the market closes below these lows right here, I'm closing. You see, even though you're not gonna see the stop losses in the clips, like I have a mental stop loss, I guess, if there's anything like that. You understand? Okay, so now we have this price action here, right? We have this price action here. So what I'm expecting is the drop. We're all expecting the drop, guys. Like, this is the correction that, like, it's long overdue right now. So right now, if you were to reanalyze the markets, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is what I'm gonna be looking at. This is what I'm gonna be looking at for sure. Right? So be on the lookout for this right here, because the one that we anticipated yesterday, the one I was trading yesterday, like it just got, you know, too mixed up. You know, got too mixed up, and it's just like a bit of a mess. But then to just make something out of the whole correction for today and to catch the movement, I think we should look at this right here. So if you're looking for sales still, wait here. Wait here. If you're looking for sales, set your sell limit here. Set your sell limit here, and then I think you're gonna be good to go. If you enter here, you're gonna be in a low risk entry, in a low risk trade, I mean to say, right? So just wait here if you're really waiting for the sells. I mean, this is the safest place to wait for the sells. If the market miss you, or that the entry is not doesn't get like triggered, it's cool. You understand? But then I really believe that the market is really trying to touch this area first before it actually drops for real. Because all of this was just like a liquidity grab. This move right here dealt with a lot of sellers and a lot of buyers too. Because how many people really saw this pattern? Right? There's people who saw this pattern and started entering buys, right? And others are still holding buys right now, right? So I strongly believe that the sellers are still in control, and this move you are seeing here might be a manipulation to the buyers to enter, and then when it gets here, it reverses, take them out, and then there's liquidity, and then we go down, and then there's enough liquidity to go to the downside, because the overall setup is like this, and I think this is the overall take profit right here. I think this is the overall target. So yeah, man, just be patient. I always tell you guys, just battle up and be patient with this right here. But then this is my signal for now. Let's see what it does. But then this is my signal for now, guys. Peace out.